Доброе утро! In this video, we're going to answer some questions and clarify some confusing points about personal pronouns in accusative case. And to get started, we're going to remember the very first question and answer that you learned to say in Russian 111. What's your name? My name is. So if someone asked me, what's your name? I would say my name is Diana in English. And then if we translate this sentence word for word into Russian, we're going to see something like this. My name, мое имя, and then the name. We don't have is. Имя is one of those irregular words that looks like a feminine word but is actually neuter and takes neuter describing words. Мое имя. But you know that this is not the sentence that we use in Russian to introduce ourselves. Instead, we say Меня зовут Diana. So where is this coming from? If we translate this sentence word for word back into English, we're gonna get Меня, which is me. And then if you look at зовут and analyze the ending, that ut is pointing at they, они. And even though we don't have the word они included into the sentence, it's implied by the ending. They call Diana. So in better English, it would sound like they call me Diana. And that's the phrase that we use for introductions. And when we ask this question, what's your name? We ask, как тебя зовут? And again, if we translate that into English word for word, we're going to arrive at how, тебя, you, зовут, again, they call. So if we paraphrase, how or what do they call you? And the reason for these forms, тебя, меня, is the verb call. Call whom or what? This is one of those verbs that takes accusative case. It needs an object. Just like love, just like eat, just like drink, just like buy, call whom or what needs an object. And we know that when in English you need an object, in Russian you need accusative case. So these are the accusative case forms of personal pronouns. And I'm hoping that while looking at them, something comes to your mind and you remember the genitive case forms of personal pronouns. So when you compare the two lists, you will see that they're absolutely identical, exactly the same forms, which makes memorizing easy. Yay for a change. So even the n forms, we were saying that in genitive case when we add u, a preposition, in front of these pronouns, some of them add n. And that's true in accusative case too. N is added after prepositions. But one more time, the lists are identical. And that is why sometimes students think that when they build those sentences about names, my name is, her name is, his name is, that they're taking words from here. But they aren't. They're taking words from here. So if we want to say his name is, его зовут, her name is, ее зовут, меня зовут, тебя зовут. So зовут doesn't change because it's always they. And there is a little theory about where this kind of form comes from. And it's not unique. It's not found only in Russian. It's found in some other languages. Spanish has something similar. So there is a theory, and I want to share it with you to entertain you. And I'm presenting it to you just like that, just like a theory. People don't know if it's really true or not, but the idea is that in some cultures in the past, people believed that the name is connected to your soul. So if I give away my name, then I'm giving away the key to my soul, and people can curse me, they put a spell on me, so not a good thing. So when someone asked them, what's your name? The answer was something like, well, I'm not going to tell you my real name, but people call me this, and you can call me that too. So that's a theory. And again, presenting it just like that, like a theory. But that's the structure we use to introduce ourselves and other people. And in the next video, I'm going to show you some examples and clarify more things. Это все. До свидания.